Hello, viewers. A very good evening and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. Amai Opa Mchinguri Kashiri. One slogan yavo yavaka iri so controversial, and let us take a look at this.
2030. Comrades, we gather today to address the unapologetic need for us to continue in unity on behalf of our party, and also cohesion at all levels of our party structures down to the village cell, and also ourselves. His Excellency the President and First
So this is the message from Opam Chinguri, and he's talking about unity in the party from top to bottom. And one of the key issues is that she gave a slogan, Yakaita, and that slogan is controversial in the sense that he said 2030, then said Pasine Zvigananda. And Pasine Zvigananda is believed to be a slogan aligned to Vice President Chiwenga. And 2030 anenge achipo seems to be the slogan aligned to Mnangagwa. And if you put together these two things, one conclusion which we can make is that maybe since Opa was talking about the issues of unity, that is the reason why he had to unite both who belong to Mnangagwa's camp and who belong to Chiwenga's camp, then put them together and build one thing. But how do you bring together oil and water? It will never mix, because vekwaMnangagwa they believe kuti 2030 must happen, while this vekwaChiwenga believe kuti 2030 must not happen and Zvigananda must fall, which means these two will never work together in harmony and have progress. So Lynn says opanonyepera kuzunga kuda kwese kunyimune kunzungu amaisorobi, where are you standing? And I believe kuti this is a game being played by Opa right here, because she doesn't want to be caught ari pamhene. She wanted to be in between, and we know how she survived in the past. Inyaya dzekutambira pakati nepakati idzedzidzi. Prince of Dotito says Opa has survived the meat grinder in ZANU-PF for decades for one simple reason. She's very calculative and typical if trained soldiers. She shows zero emotions in her deliveries. She is possibly one of the most intelligent politicians. So when you look at it, akambofamba nana Mai Mugabe pazvakashata ndokubva achinja direction achibva amhanya nevamwe achibva ati ED. Then before time yana Mai Mujuru ayobudikira kwese, and when things get hit up iyanopona, because she is so clever, as mentioned right there. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. I do not know your thoughts, your views regarding this slogan, but that is the slogan. What do you really think about this slogan? Was Opa simply running a simple slogan? Why is she including Pasine Zvigananda when we know kuti Zvigananda itimu ranaMudha Ncube nevamwe vese ava ndo Zvigananda? Because pakanzi Pasine Zvigananda, they came up guns blazing, vachipopota vachivava kuti haungati Pasinesu. So they accepted that name, and your thoughts and your views in this whole issue are of much